In this quick guide, you'll learn how to manage cross-sell campaigns in HubSpot. Whether you're new to HubSpot or looking to enhance your current marketing efforts, setting up a cross-sell campaign can significantly boost your sales by targeting customers who have already purchased a product from you. This approach not only helps in increasing customer retention, but also maximizes the lifetime value of each client. So let's dive right in. First off, you need to navigate to the automation section within HubSpot. Once you're there, select Workflow and then click on Create. This is where the magic happens. Workflows in HubSpot are a powerful tool that allows you to automate various marketing actions based on specific triggers and conditions. By setting up workflows, you can ensure that the right message reaches the right customer at the perfect time. Next, let's set up the enrollment trigger. This is the condition that will activate the workflow. In this case, you want to set the trigger to activate when the deal stage is close won and when the associated product is product A. This means that once a deal is successfully closed and includes the specified product, the workflow will automatically initiate. This step is crucial because it ensures that only the relevant customers who have purchased product A are targeted for the cross-sell campaign. Now that your trigger is all set up, the next step is to add a delay. You might be wondering why this is necessary. Well, adding a wait step, such as a 14-day delay, is important because it gives your customers enough time to use and hopefully appreciate their first purchase. This waiting period increases the likelihood that they will be open to considering additional complementary products. To add this delay, simply drag the wait action into your workflow and set the duration to 14 days. After the delay, it's time to take action. The goal here is to send a marketing email that features a complimentary offer. This email should highlight products or services that naturally complement the initial purchase. Crafting an effective marketing email is key. Make sure it's visually appealing, personalized, and offers clear value to the customer. A well-timed and relevant offer can significantly enhance your cross-selling efforts, leading to increased sales and a better customer experience. And there you have it. You've just set up a cross-sell campaign in HubSpot. By automating this process, you ensure that your customers receive timely and relevant offers, enhancing their overall satisfaction and boosting your sales. Remember, the success of a cross-sell campaign relies heavily on timing and relevance. So make sure to continually review and optimize your workflows for the best results. Keep experimenting and refining your strategy to see what works best for your audience. This simple guide will show you how to manage cross-sell campaigns in HubSpot, and with these steps, you're well on your way to maximizing customer relationships and driving more revenue. Thanks for watching and happy marketing. Feel free to explore other automation features HubSpot offers, which can further streamline your marketing efforts and provide even greater insights into your customer base.